In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your iPhone camera to night mode and capture incredible photos in the dark. After watching this video, if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like to this video. So, let's get started. First, open up the camera app on your iPhone. Tap on the Photo tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, when you're in a dark environment, you'll see the night mode icon appear. Tap on this icon to turn on night mode. Now to adjust the exposure time, tap on this arrow icon and then tap on this moon icon. Now select the exposure time. The darker your environment, the longer the exposure time you can select. Point your camera at your subject and press the shutter button. The camera takes between 3 to 10 seconds to capture a photo, depending on the darkness of your environment. It uses long exposure to gather more light. With night mode, your iPhone will produce brighter and clearer photos in low light conditions, making your nighttime photography truly spectacular. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more great tips and tricks.